Are you struggling to get your website to rank on Google? Are you putting in all the effort but still no traffic, no lead, no sales? Well, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to break down some simple but highly effective SEO strategies that will help improve your website ranking and bring in more organic traffic. And if you're new here, I'm Vignes, your digital marketing advisor in London with over 20 years of experience in brand building and integrated marketing. If you want to scale your business online, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button for more digital marketing tips. First thing first, keyword research is essential. The foundation of search engine optimization or SEO is keywords. Keywords are nothing but what will your potential customer type into the Google or any search engine when looking for your product or service. For example, are they searching for the best coffee shop in London or best accountancy services near me? Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, or SEMrush to find the right keywords. Once you have them, naturally include them in your website content, headlines, and meta description. But at the same time, don't overstuff the keywords. If you need any help in finding the right keywords for your business, please get in touch with us and we can help you with that. Next step, we'll see how to optimize your on-page SEO. But what is on-page SEO? Well, on-page SEO refers to the practice of optimizing the right keywords directly on your website page, like the content, title tags, headers, and meta description, and internal links, in order to improve your website ranking on search engine results pages. But let's see how to place those keywords on your website. Go to your website back panel where you have built your website, whether that can be on WordPress, Squarespace, or any other website builder. This is where you will be adding the relevant title tags, meta description for that specific landing page of your website. Keep them catchy, keyword rich, and within the character limits. For optimal SEO reach, aim to keep the title tag length between 50 to 60 characters and your meta description length between 120 to 160 characters. This ensures your information display properly in the search engine results without getting cut short. Next one is your headings. Heading are nothing but your content H1, H2, H3 title. Headings are crucial for your SEO because they help search engines understand the structure and content of a web page, allowing them to better match the page with the relevant search queries while also improving your search experience by providing a clear hierarchy and navigation through the content. Essentially, a well-structured headings can positively impact your search engine ranking by communicating key points of your page to both the users and the search engine bots. Remember to include the relevant keywords within the heading, which can help search engines to identify the page focus and improve its relevancies to those specific searches. Organize your website URL structure in a logical way that reflects the site navigation. If you're providing a bookkeeping services, then the URL should be your website name.com/bookkeeping instead of using your website name.com/ and some other irrelevant names which is not relevant to your page. Once your content is ready, try to build internal linking. Internal linking allows users to easily move between the relevant pages on your website, enhancing the user experience and reducing the bounce rate. By linking pages together, you are guiding the search engine crawlers to discover and index all the content on your site more effectively. Strategically, it signals to your search engine which content holds the most value and should be ranked higher. Also, by using the relevant anchor text on internal links can help target specific keywords and improve the overall SEO value of your content. Next, we'll see how to use content for website ranking. No matter how many tricks you use, if your content isn't valuable, it won't rank. Google prioritizes high quality, engaging content that solves a problem or answers any specific questions. Let's see the type of content which helps to rank your website. 1. Write useful article, blog post that can answer common questions in your industry. Showcase your latest case studies and success stories of your existing clients. Produce some useful tips-based content like infographic, white papers, downloadable PDF guides, and tutorials just like this video. The more value or useful information you provide via your content, the more likely the people will stay on your site, reducing the bounce rate, which obviously the Google or any search engine loves. And also, think from a customer perspective. Once they land on your website, they need to be convinced to buy your product or service. This is a crucial part of customer journey. Articles, social proof, and case studies play a key role in building the trust among your website visitors or your prospect clients and guiding them towards making a buying decision. Do you know over 60% of Google searches now comes from mobile devices? If your website isn't mobile friendly or responsive, you're missing out a huge chunk of businesses. Make sure your site is responsive, load faster, and provides a seamless experience on all the devices. Apart from the responsive website, the page speed and technical SEO is also important. Imagine you click on a website and it takes forever to load. It's frustrating, right? Google thinks the same way. There are few quick fixes you or your developer can do. One, compress the images to reduce the loading time, minimize unnecessary plugins and scripts used on the website, use cache to speed up your website. You can check your site speed using Google Page Speed Insights or fix any issues which are slowing it down, or just let us know, we can help you on that as well. Next one, backlinks. We call it as a SEO goldmine. Think of backlinks as your vote of confidence. When a high authority website links to your content, Google sees your website as a trustworthy and valuable. Let's see how we can build backlinks to your website. One, guest posting. Write article for other website in your industry and include a link back to your own website. Two, getting your business featured in news article or via influencers. Try to collaborate with industry related bloggers, journalists, or other relevant website by providing them useful content and link back to your website. List your website on relevant online directories to generate backlinks. Finally, use SEO tools to track your backlinks and identify any potential issues like with low quality or broken links and fix them as soon as possible. The more quality backlinks you have, the better your SEO ranking will be. Again, we can help you on building backlinks for your website. Finally, on our list is local SEO. This applies to business who are relying on local community. If you're a local business, Google My Business is your best friend. Register your business on Google My Business and optimize your business profile with correct business details and services. And encourage customers to leave a positive review and add location based keywords to your content. If you haven't claimed your Google My Business profile, do it today. It can massively boost your visibility in local searches. If you need any help in setting up and optimizing a Google My Business profile, please get in touch with our team today and we'll be happy to help you out. All right, now you know the key SEO strategies to improve your website ranking. But remember, SEO isn't a one time fix, it's an ongoing process. If you need expert help with SEO, my team at Rank Strikers offers a free SEO audit to analyze your website performance and identify growth opportunities. Click the link below to book your free consultation today. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and drop a comment with your SEO questions, and I would love to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Stay happy, keep growing, and let's build a positive world around us. Until then, this is Vignesh, your digital marketing advisor. See you in the next one.